Okay, here we are today visiting Monroe Machine Shop here in the greater Dallas-Fort Worth area. And they offer all types of unique services. Now, we actually brought a piece of equipment here to have TIG welded. So we're actually TIG welding a stainless steel. And what this is this is actually a turbocharger wastegate for an M278 Mercedes engine. And the machine shop helped us here actually turn the bushing down to the correct size to have it pressed into the housing. And now what we're doing is we're using the tungsten inert gas welder to weld the lever there to the shaft. Now, the prices here are very, very reasonable. And they do all kinds of very small jobs, specialty jobs. They have a large assortment of machine tools. They have quite an elaborate array of CNC milling machines. They have some basic CNC lathes, and what I mean by that is the old-fashioned lathe where it's strictly manual, which is much better for a one-off, one-operation type of machining. Their way it's very reasonable. If you want a one item made or a modified item, they can do that for you. Very nice. Okay, so here we are, and here's Clayton. He is the lead machinist here at Monroe Machine, and he is using the TIG welder to weld that stainless steel. He's using a stainless steel filler rod, just a little bit. Excellent work. Excellent work. Obviously, he does all types of jobs, but one of the things about Monroe Machine is they do great big contract work, but they also can do a small project for an individual, which I really appreciate. Prices are very reasonable. So here we go. And just going to go ahead and dust it off a little. Now, usually a TIG weld is very, very clean to start with, but no oxidation.
Okay, all right.
Looks real good.
Apparently what happens is
Here we go. We've recovered it. That's right. So this, from Mercedes, this would be a very expensive component. But now we're all set and ready to go. Beautiful. There we go. All right. Okay, so now this exhaust manifold is actually for a V8 Mercedes. It's a 157 or the M278 V8 engine, twin turbocharged. And this engine was used in the S550